mga bata mag-play dito, oh. Tama ba ni?
Ready, get to go.
Now, I catch you on your eyebrow. My eyes.
So guys, if you are in this car, you can sit down here.
Those are eggs.
You know, you can read a book here. Cell phone.
Hindi, wala namang no fishing. I love you too.
So this is
Leave me
part
alone.
number 2.
Leave me alone.
What do you think, guys? Hindi. Bawal ang iro. So, bawal ta. Bawal mag-fishing. Bawal mag-swimming, no? Cycling, and no flying. So, bawal tanan. Bawal ta. You can take fish. Fishing. One time fishing.
So, ayun na nga. Playground. Rock. Oh, man. They knew I was gonna.
Bawal mag-ride.
Yo, fish! I am Moana! Yay! Water hog. Water. Boy. Awesome.
So guys, mo ni siya mong balay, di ba? Nice kayo. Tara mo gudi mo. Nice kayo. Oh, mo na siya mong background, guys. Background. Front ground. Background. Front ground. Tapos may kuhan. Ano tawag, ana? Taas na kayo. Kung nato ninyo ang part 2.